What's up? Hey y'all. I know I might look different because I've never did this YouTube channel in like freaking how many months now? Sure. Ever since I was in 3rd grade, so 2 years ago. Yeah. Because I'm in 3rd grade, so. Basically, I have some slime. But basically why it looks like putty is because I was trying to make putty slime. And basically I added way too much activator. So now it actually does look like putty. But like you can see the difference. See, it's supposed to be slime. Yes. But yeah. That's my thing. And this is basically where I'm gonna be like doing all my slime videos, basically. Maybe. I only do one slime per video. So if you're wondering why I'm not showing any other, just give you like texture and all the detail on one of a slime. And Abby, I know you're watching my video. I am not giving you my recipe. You probably think I am, but I'm not. Because one of my friends at my school, she told me so. I can't give it away or everybody. She only told me. I'm glad she didn't tell anybody else, like Becca Bortley or something. So, yes. But this is my slime. Sounds like putty whenever. I just can't believe I made putty slime. Putty slime. But y'all, guys, feels exactly like putty, but it's me, Mario. Mama had me in jail already, huh? Guys, if you have TikTok and you're not freaking following me, go freaking follow me now. What's the point of like following me on YouTube instead of following me on basically